Hi everyone, it's Milla, and today I made these Super Mario shrink plastic pins. You will need clear shrink plastic, acrylic paints, paintbrushes, some kind of strong glue, toothpicks, an approach or pin tie tacks, and some yellow felt if you don't want to paint your question block. Let's start! I first sketched the question block, but I cut the question mark out to be a separate part on top, to give the pin a little more dimension. Then I drew the outlines of the mushroom and the Mario's hat onto the plastic and cut them out. Bake all the parts in the oven at 160 Celsius until they shrink down and flatten. I had yellow felt, so I thought it would be a fun detail and just the right color for my question block. And I glued it with a very strong super glue onto the back of the pin. Now I start to color my pins with acrylic paints, layer by layer. Let the first layer dry before painting the next one over it. If you color over the outlines, wait for the paint to dry and then you can scratch it off with a toothpick. After the paint dried, I brushed the backs of the pins with clear nail polish to protect the paint. Adding some last details and you're almost done. I hot glued the brooches to the back. You could also use pin tie tacks. And now they are all done. They turned out super cute. What kind of pin tutorials would you like to see next? I have done one pin tutorial before that was sci-fi space themed. I love making pins, it's so much fun. I hope you like this geeky tutorial and I will try to make another one soon. Bye!